Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to show you how to capture network packets with tcpdump for viewing in Wireshark. This is an extremely powerful troubleshooting technique when you need to investigate network traffic coming through an interface. Let's jump right in. The command to capture packets is tcpdump. But we need to include a few more options. -I, then the name of the interface. If you don't know the name of the interface, type tcpdump -D for the complete list. And we'll choose this one. -S65536 for the full packet, then -W and the file path of where to write the output. Uh-oh. We can't run the command as a regular user, so we'll sudo the command. Now the command is running and capturing all packets on our interface. When you're ready to stop the capture, just type Control-C. And here are some statistics about the capture. Now open the file in Wireshark, whichever way you prefer, but I'll open it from the command line. And there you have it. Now if you don't want to babysit the tcpdump command just to hit Control-C, you can actually automate its termination by pre-pending another command, timeout. You must specify a duration, which is defaulted to seconds. But you can also make this explicit. You can also specify minutes, hours, or days. And after the duration, timeout will send a signal to the command to terminate. You can refer to the man page if you want more details about the command timeout. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and help us get to 1,000 subs. Have a great day.